think MAL is extremely important to TDC being able to function because of the cost savings purely for the food that we provide for the kitchens, and also the cotton and stuff and for the garment factories and producing their own garments. You've got to make sure that everything's going like it's supposed to every day because, you know, it's your responsibility. Oh, accountability's 24 hours a day. I have to be accountable not only to my job here, but I'm accountable to my family and my friends. And, you know, accountability to me is being accountable not only to the MAL headquarters with all our crops and our livestock and everything we do there, but we're also have to be accountable to these inmates to teach them trades and to teach them skills, and also to provide food to put in the kitchens. When I started, I was pretty apprehensive. I didn't realize that I would enjoy it as much as I do. It's something new every day, a new challenge every day, and it's been better than I ever thought it would be.